Okay, so who can solve this HVAC problem? So we have a 100% outdoor air unit, and we need to get the air from 95 degrees dry bulb, 78 degrees wet bulb, down to 75 degrees dry bulb and 50% relative humidity. So how do we get from point A to point B using the psychrometric properties of cooling, dehumidification, and heating? Stay tuned, and I'll post the answer tomorrow.